Onto the US markets, where the S&P 500 and Nasdaq achieved their largest daily percentage gains since February 2022, while the Dow also saw an increase. This rally was driven by a surge in chip stocks and the fact that the US Federal Reserve had decided to keep US interest rates unchanged. The Fed also hinted at potential easing or interest rate cuts in the month of September. This Reuters report gets you the lowdown on all the action on Wall Street.
U.S. stocks closed higher on Wednesday as chip stocks rallied and the Federal Reserve indicated it could begin cutting interest rates in September. The Dow gained about 0.25%, the S&P 500 climbed more than 1.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq soared more than 2.6%. The Fed kept its benchmark overnight rate unchanged as it ended its two-day policy meeting, but opened the door to easing in September. Data released Wednesday showed July private payrolls increased far less than expected, indicating a loosening of persistent labor market tightness. Mike Muscio is president of FBB Capital Partners.
If the trend kind of continues and they get a cut in September and then maybe another one in November, and the tone is like we see things, inflation continuing to be in check, unemployment we're still mindful of, and that kind of is a measured trend. To me, that would be the definition from this point of the soft landing.
The day's big market movers included Meta Platforms. The Facebook parent, which reported earnings after the close, ended the session up 2.5% before adding roughly 4% in after-hours trading, thanks to a rosy ad sales forecast which may help cover its AI-related costs. Leading AI chip maker NVIDIA jumped nearly 13%, adding about $330 billion in market value, a record one-day gain for any company on Wall Street. Fellow chipmaker Advanced Micro Devices, which ignited the AI rally, gained more than 4% due to a robust 2024 sales forecast for its chips. Tech giants Apple and Amazon, which report earnings on Thursday, also closed higher.